10. So cold. She was lost in the endless snow.
Anyone?
Her strength was almost gone.
Help!
Alone in the cold darkness.
But hope was on the way.
A kind heart braved the storm.
Who's there?
Stone.
Thank you.
Saved just in time. You're safe now, little one.
Carried to warmth and safety. Finally, a safe haven.
A new chapter began in warmth.
So warm. So warm. So good.
Of the light, her strength slowly returned. She slept in peace for the first time.
Oh, I feel better.
Each day she grew stronger.
Always love. Her body and spirit healed day by day. Joy filled her heart once more. Young boy. She found her forever family.
Spring brought new life and freedom.
Come play. She discovered true freedom and joy in She made the sweetest friends to know. Laughter echoed everywhere. I can do it!
She learned new things every day with her protective friend.
With her protective friend watching, she discovered her special gift. Look what I made! Her protective friend cheered for her blooming talent. Teamwork!
Together with her protective friend, they built something magical.
With her protective friend, she spread happiness to everyone. Happiness was shared with everyone.
Miss my family. The panda told her friend about her lost family.
I want to find them. Together they decided to find her family. They set off on the adventure to find her family. They searched high and low. Finally, she saw her family. The panda found her family again. The panda was forever grateful to her friend. You saved my heart too.
You saved my heart too.
Away. From one rescue, many were saved. The panda's cycle of kindness lives on forever. Come with it. Never lose hope. Kindness always wins.